Hi, this is the temu app. Our deal is how to get good quality at lower prices. Hit the subscribe button to get this deal. Now quickly, this is the main application interface and it contains all the great offers and discounts. Don't worry about the offers expiration. They are constantly renewed. But we are here looking for quality for a reasonable price. Now, how to get real photos and product reviews? Let's go back and search for specific products. For example, let's search for women's shoes. Here you'll find the recommendations, but I can use these filters to search better. Or I can use this, sort by, then choose top sales. Here I can find the best products and the most requested. Let's choose this. Not here. Big sales and high ratings. That's what we are looking for. Now let's check the colors here. This is amazing. Pick the size and scroll down. Shipping here, I have standard free shipping for the first time. You can get free express shipping if your order is over $100. And it has better features that you can check out. Scroll down. Here, item reviews. Click on See All. Here all reviews from real people buy this sneaker. And here, you will get the real photos. Scroll down here. Let's open this, the purple one here. Good. Finally, you can copy product ID from here and more information you can check out later. Now, click on Add to Cart. Now let's add the order's shipping address in the right way. Go back to the main interface, then click on the cart icon down here. Now you can delete any items from here before the checkout. Now click Checkout. Here you need to add the address order and type your name. The most important thing, street address. Every building has a number. You must write the main building number and then the street name. Now, as you can see here, city, state, and the zip code show up. Select the right one. Now, the other fields filled automatically if you have chosen the right one as me. You can use Google Maps from here for quick add. Finally, add your US number here, then click Save. Now the address is set. Choose the payment methods, then add your card information here. Then click Add and scroll down. Here you can apply a coupon. Click on it. As you can see, all coupons have a condition. If fulfilled, the best coupon will be activated automatically. Finally, click Submit Order. Then input card security number. Then click Pay. Now to check your shipping order, go back to the main interface, then click here, You, then Your Orders. That's it. If you like our channel idea, please subscribe to support us. Thanks for watching. If you like our channel idea, please subscribe to support us. Thanks for watching.